Hello students, welcome back. So now we are going to be learning about bar plot. Well, bar plot is used when your data has both numerical data type and categorical data type. In this case, you can compare categories. So for example, you want to compare from the tips data set, the Friday tips, the Saturday, the Sunday. You want to do all that comparison. So you can do that using bar plot. What if you want to see the counts or averages across various groups? Well, you can use bar plot for that one too. Import your Seaborn library, import your Matplotlib library. In this case, I'm using tips dataset. So I'm just printing out few records of your tips dataset. So you have total bill, tip, sex, smoker, date, time, size. And this is your tips dataset. Okay, so in this instance, right here, I'm specifying my data. That would be the tips right here. I'm specifying my x equal to day. This is going to be my category. If my days, if you remember, they are Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. These are my days. Then I specify my y, total bill. So that's my numerical value. So when I plot this, it looks something like this. So it tells me that for Thursday, your total bill, your average total bill is kind of like low. But on Saturday and even Sunday, your Sunday is very high. So that makes sense because a lot of people they come on Sunday to eat outside, to go outside on the in the restaurants and the hotels, but they don't go much on Thursday, Friday. So that's why it's showing low. Also, this thing right, it kind of tells you like your average value is over here, but it's like 95% chance that it's going to be in this range. That's what it's telling you. So average tape is higher for Saturday and Sunday. You can draw this conclusion. So in this particular instance, your Seaborn, it automatically calculates the average value for you. You do not have to do this thing. The error bars in this particular instance shows you the confidence interval. That would be this right here. So this is showing you confidence interval. In this case, I'm doing the bar plot again, and now I'm specifying u equal to 6. So this is my category right here. Category. Okay, this is numerical, and then this one is categorical. All right, so I have categorical, numerical, and categorical. So when I plot this, it looks something like this right here. So you can see that now you have male and female tips right here. So on Thursday, you have these are the tips, and in the Thursday itself, it has been divided into two subcategories: male and female. And by looking at this thing, you can see that males are paying higher total bill than the females. You see that the males' average is higher, males' average is higher, higher, higher. And it seems like on Friday, the male average is way higher than the females. Okay, so on Friday, the average total bill, okay, this I just, okay, this is good. Total bill is always higher for males, and the difference is not very high. So yeah, you can also see that the difference is not very high, at least in these cases, but the difference is very high over here. Okay, next one. Let's see. Maybe you want to see the sum of the total bill. So in this case, data equal to tips, x equal to day, y equal to total bill, and now you specify your estimator equal to sum. So by specifying your estimator equal to sum, is going to give you the total bill for each day. In this case, I'm saying do not put the error bar over there. So when I run this, it plots like this right here. So now it's telling me that for Thursday, my total bill was somewhere over here, this number right here. My Friday, this is my total bill. But just by looking at this, you can tell that your Friday total bill is way low. And for your this day, that is your Saturday, you have high total bill. So in this case, not much money is made on Friday, and you can see that. Let me just come over here. This guy, uh, put this guy like this. There you go. And then lot money is made on Saturday. You can draw this conclusion by looking at this graph right here. This is my Saturday right here. Okay, now let's do the horizontal bar plot. Now, when category names are too long or too many, sometimes you come across situations where your category names could be very long, like these ones right here. So in that particular instances, you can actually put that horizontal. So in this case, I'm saying my y equal to day and my x equal to total bill. I'm just reversing the role of x and y. That's all I did over here. And this actually plots the same thing I just showed you a minute ago. So sometimes you may not want to see the vertical, you want to see the horizontal. So you have that option in your bar plot. Let's take a look at the flights data set. So I'm load my flights data set. I'm printing out first few samples. So it tells me the year, month, passengers, like how many passengers flew on a certain year and a certain month. And now I'm actually doing the bar plot of this flights data set. And my x in this case is year, and my y is going to be number of passengers. Estimate is I want to know the sum, how many passengers they flew for a certain year. So when I draw this, it looks something like this. You can see that for each year, the number of passengers has been going up steadily. You can see that it's going up right there. Okay, so this is the observation that the number of passengers has been going up right here. Okay, now we can add a text label with each bar's value. We can do that too. So over here, you do not know the number, right? Maybe you want to see the number. You can do that too. All you have to do is call this function right here, bar label, and then you specify your bar label right here. Okay, and you can see that it actually puts the labels over. So it's telling you the total sum for 1949. The total number of passengers who flew is 1,520, and same thing for the rest of them right here.